You're paying $15 for a Hugo Spritz at bars when you can make this refreshing Italian aperitivo at home for pennies. In under 2 minutes, you'll have a perfectly balanced, Instagram-worthy cocktail that tastes like summer. Step 1. Chill your glass. Fill it with ice cubes and let it sit for 30 seconds while you gather your ingredients. A cold glass keeps your drink refreshing longer. Step 2. Pour 3 ounces of Prosecco into the glass. This Italian sparkling wine is the foundation. It's affordable and gives you that signature fizz without the champagne price tag. Step 3. Add 1.5 ounces of Hugo liqueur or elderflower liqueur. This is the secret ingredient that gives the drink its distinctive floral herbal character. Top with 2 ounces of soda water. Stir gently for 5 seconds and garnish with fresh mint sprigs and a thin lime wheel. The mint releases its oils when you stir, enhancing the herbal notes. Serve immediately. Pro tip: don't skip the ice in your glass before pouring. Warm Prosecco ruins the drink instantly. Make these in batches by multiplying the ratios and chilling a pitcher. What's your favorite aperitivo? Comment below. Follow Sikho for more. Visit Sikho.ai.